guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be finishing my part 1 makeup. So, I don't know, well, if you guys haven't watched the first one, I'm going to link it in the description. I can't say it. And you guys should probably watch the video first, but it's not really that interesting. We didn't start anything on our eyes. In the eyes are the most important part, and we're going to be starting in this video. But the thing is, I did explain what colors I am going to use for today, so you should probably go back there just to see the colors. Just skip all the way to the end and that will show all the colors. Very simple. Anyway, let's get started. This is a messy brush. And okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is, let's see. So we're doing a pink and yellow makeup look. Okay? And I think we should start with Make Them Wink. Right? Yeah. Just put that right there. Put it right highlight for now. We're gonna like kind of make it, buff it out. And just put it higher. But for now, I'm just gonna lay the product down first. No eyelid. Ooh. Looks so weird. Also, the other video, I said I'm not going to be doing eyeliner today. That's true. So, if you guys want to see me doing eyeliner, not today. Because I will take actually like 2 hours doing it. Okay. Not that bad. And the same with my other eye, just so we can. Because remember, we're not doing anything off camera, okay? And also, if you guys enjoy me doing stuff not off camera, just comment down below, or even like this video, then I'll be like, okay. And, oh, I just messed up. Okay. Boom. Someone's calling me. I don't know who it is, so I'm obviously not going to answer it because we're in this video, and also I'm just not going to answer it. Anyway, it's really boring. Just going to do that. And we're going to get, oh wait, no, we have to buff it out. Duh. So, what brush can we use? Oh, this brush. Use this. So I don't know if it's buffing out. My first ever makeup video I posted that you guys did not see because I don't have a part 2. I did. Not working. That's like 2 million days ago, so it's not even 2 million days ago. It's almost a month ago. Maybe a little more. Okay. It's not that bad. But remember, we can't make it too high because we're adding yellow. I'm planning on like kind of doing a yellow outline, but it might not work great. So I might just do it under my eye. And right there. That's actually gonna be really cute. I think like these, I love the colors together. Like yellow and pink. They're just like so pretty to me. I don't know. I don't like pink as much. So you guys not just me do so much pink looks. Cause that's why, well, I actually love blue and yellow. So that's also why I'm doing a yellow look, because I love yellow. And I'm really sad I painted my walls gray, because my sister told me, oh, you should have done yellow. And I should have, but it's okay. It's not time to talk about my room. Let's make time. Okay, now we're going to be using let's see. I just use this brush. We're going to be using this brush and getting 2-2. I'm just going to put it right right near here, but not exactly there because I come with the yellow. I don't know what to call right there, so that's why I'm not even gonna say it, because I'm just gonna sound so stupid. And now we're gonna use my other brush, which I use for make them wink, and kind of just put it there. I just want to see how it looks. Okay. I'm kind of messing up a lot. Oh god. Okay. We're gonna get a toothpick, I don't care. And that's gonna put my concealer and foundation on here. But at least it's gonna make it look good. Okay. Why does Tutu look darker? What? Okay. Not that bad. Now it's gonna be time for the best part. For me, is the yellow. So, I think we're just gonna be done for this, and we can fix it up. Oh, wait. We're gonna fix it up a bit right now. Gotta just match it. Okay, because I'm not really matched. But, okay, I think that's good. Now, the time that I've been waiting for is the yellow. But, I don't know what brush we should use. Like, we could use these, or that brush, or another brush. I'm using this. So we're gonna show you how Yellow Sunshine, the yellow, works. See, it's barely up there. Let me get more. I was so excited that there's yellow, but it doesn't even work the greatest. Okay, why does it kind of work there? Like, it never works. I think I just need a lab product. But we're gonna add... No, I'm not. That's just so pretty. You can't really see it, but I love yellow and pink together. I think they're just so pretty. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna be using Bumblebee. We're gonna see how that looks. Just kind of stands and like that. I'm gonna put Rise and Shine on my hand. Okay, my cat's on my bed and he's coughing, sneezing. Okay. But are you okay? Come on, I will pick you up on the middle of the video. I can't pause it. But let's hope he's okay. You guys might not hear him. Well, you guys might will. I'm sorry. Oh, poor Cream. Oh, he has a lot. I don't know why. He coughs like every day. It's not a cat. Cat videos. See, I just get so sidetracked and I don't even know that I do. Hi, baby. Okay. Oh, I heard something. I was like, where is he? He's just sitting next to me. Okay. Do you like that? You can't really notice it. It's cute, but you can't really see it. Okay. I'm trying to use some Rise and Shine. That's the thing, that's too much. Makeup is so weird. Not weird. It could be difficult really easily. Or you get difficult. I like the colors together. I was fast. Shot my brush. So I really like the colors together because it kind of just like, they're interesting colors, you know? No one knows that. But now we're gonna try my other palette and kind of brighten up the pink because it's kind of plain, you know. It's kind of easy makeup look, and so we wanted to add a little more. We actually probably will do a part 3 because I'm just talking so much that I'm making the video so much longer. So, and we're gonna be getting my Going Out palette and be using Main Stage, the only pink one. There is confetti, that's light pink, kind of peachy too. Anyway, we're gonna be using Main Stage. Just put it on my eyelids. We're not really gonna do it too much. Well, we are, but like, we're just doing it to make it a little bit more pop. Like, boom. Because the yellow is. You want that to be too. I think I just messed up. Okay. It's okay. It will work. I'll make it work. I just let it go there. Okay. I actually really like those color combinations, but we're gonna do one more thing. We're gonna get no, we're not. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna ruin it. I was gonna get Main Stage. One night only on where my yellow is, but it's gonna make it too pop. Like, it's gonna be crazy, and I don't want that. And we're actually going to start with. It's time for contouring. We finally finished our eyes. Oh wait, no, we have not. Oh my god, I'm just going everywhere. This video's just like that. Anyway, so you okay? He wants pets. Why are you meowing like that? You never meow like that. You okay? I don't know what's happening. Okay. Cream. You probably saw him. Oh my god. Sorry, I'm not just like not talking. I'm so concentrated. Like, I'm concentrating on this. And by the way, if I say any words wrong, I'm sorry. I just don't really think about it. Okay. Not bad. Well, boom. But it's okay. We're gonna do part 3. It's gonna be very boring because it's about doing my cheeks, lips, highlighter, and blush and contouring cheeks. So it's gonna be pretty boring, but it's gonna be kind of interesting because I can explain more. I don't really know how to explain doing my cheeks, my lips, but we could explain more. And I'm gonna be using my Victoria Jackson palette that I cleaned. It's already messy, but I cleaned. I got all this close and stuff, and I'm so happy. My mom's not. She doesn't really care. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, and subscribe, turn on those notifications, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, comment or like this video, and that would tell me that you guys liked it. And that's all, so goodbye.